can of worms seems to have opened up, where a constitutional crisis is happening right now in the Sumi Hoho. Now, 7 persons have made a complaint against its president, the Sumi Hoho's president, that is Vyoto Asumi, claiming of many things and violation against the constitution of the Sumi Hoho. Complainants have said that under certain sections of the Yezabo or the constitution, they have said that the documents enclosed by the Nagaland Board of School Education, Kohima, has categorically stated his correct date of birth as per his HSLC admit card is 29 June 1977, which makes him only 47 years of age. Now, they have said that according to the constitution, the president needs to be either 50 years old or above to be president of the Sumi Hoho. Now, this admit card claims that he is only 47 years old as of date. Now, secondly, the 7 complainants have said that the details in his driving license also reflects the similar date of birth, that is 29 June 1977. Therefore, it is also clearly verifying that he is 47 years old and not 50 or above 50 years of age, which is required to get elected as the Sumi Hoho president. Now, according to the 7 complainants, now these documents that we have received, it is all over social media and it has been doing the rounds. Hence, we are just going through it. And these are all accusations. Now, they have filed a case in the court. Now, they've also claimed in their case that he served as Assistant General Secretary during the year 2011 to 13, General Secretary for the tenure 2014 to 17 and 2021 to 24. He has again been nominated and elected as president of the Sumi Hoho for the tenure 2024 to 2027, which they have said that it contravenes and severely violates the mandate of the Sumi Hoho, which clearly mentions that a maximum of 2 terms to be an office bearer in the Sumi Hoho. Now, sources have informed us that on 25th September, that is day after tomorrow, that the court, they will be attending court, where they are also waiting for the respondent to come and give their stance according to the claims and the accusations. Now, that day, it is not a court hearing, but the court will probably give a date when they should arrive for the court hearing. Now, there are 3 things that the complainants most importantly have filed against Vyoto Asumi: that he is not of age to be president, which is he is 47 years of age according to his documents, admit card of his high school leaving certificate, as well as his pension book as well also proves that he is born on June 29, 1977, and not as mentioned. Now, viewers, these are all accusations by 7 persons of the Sumi community from different backgrounds, and they have stressed on 3 things. That is that Mr. Vyoto Asumi, who is not of age to be even the president, and plus another aspect would be where he has served many terms in different categories, in different positions and designations in the Sumi Hoho, whereas the Sumi Hoho Yezabo or the constitution mandates that no office bearer can hold office for more than 2 years. And also another one would be where we have also acquired documents from the Atoiza Town Baptist Church, which says that he is certified and according to the record of birth and registered at the Atoiza Town Baptist Church, and his date of birth is shown as 29 June 1974. Now, he probably, according to the accusations, has used this document to be elected as president. Now, another source, a very reliable source, has informed that a search committee is there to not elect the president, but look for a capable and probable candidate to be president. So all these search committee also, on what grounds have they elected Vyoto Asumi as the president of Sumi Hoho also is questionable. And whereas this is in court right now, and on 25th they will be attending court, not for a hearing but to listen to the respondent's stance on the accusations against him. This is a developing story. Stay tuned with Nagaland News Network. Esther here with camera person Moa.